Hey, this is Keith Meredith, and I have a simple question for you. Would you like to see your credit score have the potential to dramatically increase? If you're like most of the people in the country with damaged credit history, you just said yes. But if you're like most people in the country, you probably also just said, I don't see how that's possible. I do mortgages for a living, and I see people with credit scores in the 500s all the time. It's been crucial for me to find a low-cost organization to send my clients to, and one that really gets the job done and does it in a transparent way so that my clients can feel good about their credit repair process and not be in the dark. It took a lot of trial and error, going from using expensive local operations that took too long and weren't worth the money to using larger operations that were impersonal and couldn't keep track of their clients' progress. My journey led me to a company called Lexington Law. They are a low-cost credit repair attorney group, and they removed over 1 million negative items off credit reports in 2011 alone. They have serviced over 500,000 clients, and they know what it takes to make a client happy. They have an online platform that allows you to see exactly what is being disputed on your behalf and when you can expect results. You can email your case manager at any time or speak to a paralegal about your case whenever you see fit. They offer a free credit consultation and a free credit report summary. And if you decide to join the program, they charge a modest upfront fee and an even more modest monthly fee with no contract whatsoever. Sending my credit challenge clients to Lexington Law has helped me to boost my mortgage business so much I felt compelled to get the word out on the company. So that's why I'm presenting this testimonial to you. To the right, you can see video testimonials of what others have had to say about Lexington Law, and I highly suggest that you check them out. But I can tell you this, the most common phrase I hear when I refer a client to them is, I sure am glad you told me about this credit repair company because they are doing some amazing things. And more often than not, I'm able to get them into a house after having used them. In my experience, after seeing a person go through some negative financial history, I see them go through a few different phases. First of all, they usually harbor quite a bit of disbelief when it comes to the prospect that negative items can actually start disappearing from their credit report. They think their credit report is ironclad, and it simply just isn't the case. The credit bureaus are not government-sponsored entities. They have to abide by the law, and so do your creditors. Lexington Law will challenge negative items on your credit report, giving your creditors a chance to respond accordingly and in a timely manner. But oftentimes they don't, and by law, the bureaus have to remove that item from your credit report. Your credit score may be suffering from duplicate reports on collection accounts. This too can be disputed, helping to quickly boost your credit score. These are just some of the tools Lexington Law uses to get the results that matter for their clients. The point is, it's possible to erase negative financial history. The next phase people usually go through is a combination of fear and distrust. People usually become so jaded by the experience that they've had with creditors in the past that they don't really have any interest in getting their credit repaired because they don't want to mess with the companies that they feel caused quite a bit of stress in their lives. This is an unhealthy attitude towards yourself and your financial future. You have to believe that your future is bright. That future should include the possibility of owning your own home if you don't already, or the ability to purchase a solid vehicle for your family without paying a ridiculous interest rate to get it. You deserve to have a good credit score, and you need to believe that you can have control over your creditors rather than them have control over you. The third phase that I see once they start to believe that credit repair is possible and they start to believe in their financial futures again is procrastination. The excuse often is money, but with Lexington Law, it's just not a valid excuse because they're so inexpensive. It's usually just because, once again, they're afraid as to whether or not it's really going to work, or they're afraid to lose their credit score once they get it again. Don't let this be you. Call them up as soon as you get a chance and get your free credit consultation. They'll let you know directly what the program is all about and what it can do for you. They can pull a credit summary of your credit history and analyze your circumstances for free. When you call, you actually get a chance to speak to a paralegal, not a salesman. If you decide to join the program, the small monthly cost is nothing compared to what it feels like to know that your credit is healthy. Good luck, and I wish you lots of success.